Old Generals welcomes you. Enjoy the animal world. Giraffes inhabits the hot, dry savannas of Mother Africa's flat shrublands and grasslands, wandering and feeding in the meadows and tall acacia trees. The giraffe's long necks make giraffes to stand out tall on the shrublands and grasslands. As a result, they keep an eye out for predators, this aiding in spotting lions and other big cats of the wild animal world. The shrublands and grasslands are scorching and dry, yet giraffes can survive without water for days. Giraffe necks can reach 1.8 meters in length. They assist giraffes in eating food that other animals cannot reach. The giraffe's long necks gives them the ability to pull leaves from lofty acacia trees, using their long mouths and tongues to pick up leaves. Giraffes merge into their green habitat, thus their dark brown markings helping them to hide from predators. The giraffe's long legs can reach a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Although this can only be maintained over short distances when fleeing predators, giraffes can kick with both back and front legs if a predator gets too close. Did you know? The giraffe spots get darker as giraffes get older. Giraffes are one of the most popular game reserves animals, and people love sighting them. The giraffes can live as long as 30 years in protected areas such as the zoo and game reserves with minimal or no predators because they are not in danger. Other animals might associate with giraffes. When traveling, as giraffes can spot predators from far away due to their height. The giraffes inhabiting South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique are known as South African giraffes, with blotched star spots. Giraffes are killed for their gorgeous patterned hides, their meat, and their tails, which are used to produce bracelets and thread. Some individuals simply kill them to display as a trophy on their wall. Additionally, tree cutting by humans is making it more difficult for giraffes to locate food. Although giraffes are not listed as endangered, we still need to take precautions to prevent this from happening. Did you know that giraffes have enormous feet that can be as large about 30 millimeters radius? They also have bone horns that are nicely covered in fur. Giraffes don't drink water very often, thus eating the succulent plant leaves they can find. This quenches the thirst for water, as they get the water their body needs from the succulent leaves. In seasons and areas with lots of succulent leaves, giraffes will not drink water for even more than a month. The skin of a giraffe is incredibly thick. This protects it from animals that might try to bite it. They have silky fur covering their skin. The fur is white or tan and covered in patches. Different giraffe species have distinctive spots. There are huge ones and small ones. Some are pale brown or tan. Some are virtually completely black in color. Can you guess the animal based on the feet? Yes, you are correct. It's a giraffe. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Enjoy the Animal World. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.